Hey guys, it's the Thumb Bros, and today my little brother will be playing Animal Jam. Play Wild. This is the new Christmas update. It's also in association with National Geographic. Make sure you go download this game. Play it. Really fun game. So yeah, let's get this started. Take over.
So guys,
Makes sense. Now, as you can see, he just got a present on his 9th day. He got a Jamaliday mailbox. So how about you go show them a game and interact in this? Here, I'll try to do it.
Okay,
Let's do the...
So we play this game because I have this Christmas hat what I already have and
You have to make sense. Talk like a big boy.
Okay.
So, we're going to be playing some long shot. I don't think we both played this at all.
Yeah. I played this.
So what do we have to do? Could you explain to them nice and clearly?
So, guys, you have to press the ball, guy, and you fling.
To see how far you go?
And I get to go 50, 90, 20, 21. I'm going crash Rocco. Might go like the very craziest one.
Alright, nice. Fun fact. Cactuses are usually found in dry climates and they have the ability to store large amounts of water. Fun fact, guys. Would you like to play a different game and show them around Animal Jam?
Sure.
Okay, take over.
Woo! So, my brother was helping me to do the catapult. So now let's get in the game. Actually, put the Christmas tree on. In this game, you can talk with different friends. And you get the big character where you get more gems and just a little other gems. So I have glasses, flip-flops, golden shoes. I have glasses. I have 2 hats. I have 3 hats. And a lot of clothes. Yeah, so let's go to get up another new pet. What we really need. So at the pet store, we can get more pets. And how many? Oh, I'm gonna see. I'm gonna see. Let's get a game. So, let's go to the pet. Let's pet button. And we have Rudolph is new. But we can't buy Rudolph. We can't buy them. So what if we need some? Okay. I really want a turkey or another get more things. So everybody need to look at my house. You just have to click your house button where I'm really going to. So this is my house, guys. And I have this koala.
Oh, how cute is the koala? The koala is cute. So guys, I want in the comments to see if we should do another video about Animal Jam. So
Or you make it
let us know in the next video. Bye, guys. Have a blessed day.